Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. And today we are sailing straight into the Sea of Love. That's right, this cocktail we're making today is just for Valentine's Day. So, if you are celebrating with your Valentine, or your Galentine, or maybe you just want to sip on something that is smooth and seductive, this Velvet Disaronno Martini is the perfect Valentine's Day dessert in a glass. So, come on with me, let's get behind the bar, and let's get pouring. If you're ready to charm your sweetheart, you just need 3 simple ingredients. Our first one is coffee liqueur, and we're using Kahlua. Next ingredient is going to be vodka. I'm using Grey Goose, treat her special. And our third ingredient in there is Disaronno Velvet. And I know you're saying, hey, Disaronno comes in a jar and it's brown. But for the first time in 500 years, Disaronno added a product to their line. And this is a cream liqueur. Tastes very similar to the typical Disaronno. We're going to start with 1 ounce of Kahlua. And of course, you can use any coffee liqueur that you want. It's up to you, whatever's in the bar. We're going to put 1 ounce in there. Now, we're going to use vodka. That's going to give it some balance. It's got a neutral flavor to it, so we're tasting those other liqueurs in there. 1 ounce. And I do like Grey Goose. And this third liquor going in there is going to be the Velvet. And this is a cream liqueur. You can store it in the refrigerator. It comes out a little bit thicker, maybe give you a little bit more creaminess if you want. But we're going to put 1.5 ounces in there. Got that nice milky look to it. This may even go good in a bowl of cereal in the morning. That's everything we need in that shaker. Now, we're going to ice it up and chill it down. And let's shake it up. Ten or 15 seconds, everything we need to make that nice and cold. And now we're going to get our martini glass out. Had it chilling with some ice and some water in there. Get that glass chilled. Let's dump that out. Since we don't have any fruit juices in there, we don't have to double strain this one. We're just going to pour it in our glass. Ooh. A little bit of foam on top of that. And of course, now all we have left to do is garnish. And what better way to treat your Valentine than a chocolate-covered strawberry? So we'll put that in there. And there is today's cocktail, the Disaronno Velvet Martini. Ooh. That is nice and creamy, velvety. You've got that flavor of amaretto that just comes out. A little bit of that boldness of the coffee. This one is dessert in a glass. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.